Hi everyone, and this is the Legendary R back again with more, and I am doing the Cole's Blaster Bike. This is part 2. The first part I have done back 1, this is back 2. Which I've done a little bit back 2 for first part, but let's just see what I have here. Just building the engine here. So, it's nothing that exciting, just me building a Lego set and then just me time-lapsing it. I don't have a copy of this video, but just time-lapsing it. Then that's all that I need to do, is just time-lapse it. So all that I want to do is time-lapse it. Okay, so I think that's it. Come on. Keep on having to stand up. It's just... well, got a few bad parts about these videos. I have to keep on standing up. I mean, well, on the bright side, getting some exercise. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing's wrong with nothing. Okay, so sorry if this video is already boring for you. Just had to listen to me talk about nothing until something comes up in my mind. Well, this is a waste of trash. I mean, well, this looks like something needs to be fixed. But there's nothing wrong here. Yes, there is a lot wrong here. Just need to connect this piece. It's not done yet. So, just gotta wonder, how are you? How are you viewers? How you viewers are who are watching this? I hope you're doing good. I mean, I'm doing good. Today is Sunday when I'm doing this video. Just got doing a lot of Lego stuff. It's hard trying to do everything sitting down, which I want to do everything sitting down, but I cannot do that. Wow. Lego making the Legendary R keep getting up and down for his Lego videos from 2015 to 2015. Okay. So, okay, I need to hurry because I got 19% battery left. I'm not doing so good. I'm not doing so good because I just can't rush. I am almost there. I'm almost there. I just have a storm of Lego pieces that I need to. I'm gonna upload this video exactly after I'm done with this. When I'm done with these two things, I will get on to the review. Maybe the same day that's uploaded, but might have to do the review first. Sorry, peoples. Gonna try and see if I could try and make some daily videos. Just had to stock up on videos and then upload them in the morning. Even though it might be a school morning, I just Just have to deal with it. And then people can watch after school. And then I don't have to care about the rating except for just gotta do homework and everything is fine. Click, click. No, not yet. This is a real pain. This is a real pain for the real game. You know what I'm saying, man? This is a real pain for the real game. You should understand me a little bit more. This is the real pain of the real game. Please understand me. This is the real pain of the real game. Understand me, understand me, understand me. So let's just get this one part, and I know that we're gonna have to do this thing twice. So let's go ahead and get all the pieces so I don't have to do it again. Well, you know, later. It's a great idea to do Legos like this, because we know what's gonna happen later on, and that's how you get the build done quicker. Like the tires, I always do tires. Hold on. Talking about my battery being low. I know this is not a great idea, but when I get to 10 minutes, when I get to 10% of my battery life, this video will be over. Just gonna have to charge it a little bit and then make a part 3. But when do you think I'll do that? Not. The legendary art does not go down that easily. Oh man, they wanted me to do that stupid thing twice. Oh well. I knew that they wanted me to do it twice, just... This is confusing. It is really confusing. Because, it's not that confusing anymore. Because I'm trying to understand Legos ideas for what they're doing. I'm understanding Legos a little bit more now. Especially Technic. Because I'm building with Technic. And I'm starting to learn from Technic. Of how complicated things are. So yeah, don't try and use my idea for the money effect. It only works on humans. No. So, oh no, 13% battery left. I really should stop this video, but like I said, I'm not going down that easy. Being me isn't gonna be that easy. I forgot where I heard that from. I think it was the Shadow of Ronin video game. Is it? Being me isn't gonna be that easy. I remember when Ronin said that. So let's just, before we do anything else, let me just load this thing up with ammo, I guess. Guess I might as well load the shooter up. Just gonna do this really quick. When it hits 10, I'm gonna say like if you want, favorite if you want, and subscribe for more awesomeness. See you next time, bye, and I'm proven to be legendary, which is basically what I need to say right now. Oh no, 11. Nice knowing you all. Nice knowing you all. So, guess I have to charge it. My tablet says charge me. I'm saying no. I need to make this video. So, like if you want, fair if you want, and subscribe for more awesomeness. See you next time. Bye, and I'm proven to be legendary. Come on.